Welcome, First Aid Teams. This resource will walk you through AndroidBot's wiring so that you are able to wire your first star. For this wiring, you will need two 435 RPM motors, two 2000 series dual mode servos, two 1x15A motor controllers, one element receiver, a Rev 12 volt slim battery, an Element 6 radio control system, and an XT30 splitter. Alternate parts will be listed for you to consider, varying in cost to fit your team's specific wiring needs. To begin, I recommend drawing a diagram of your wiring so that you have a reference throughout this entire process. If you use slightly different pieces, drawing your own diagram is essential, as it may not match perfectly with ours. Even if you're building your star exactly the same as the example, in my opinion, drawing your own diagram is useful as it will help you understand the wiring process. AndroidBot's wiring diagram is shown here. It helps to separate the different voltages with different colors so that you do not get them mixed up. If a 12-volt battery sends 12 volts to a piece only designed to take 6 volts, it will overheat and not function properly. Our battery leads to a custom XT30 splitter, and you can buy this piece from AndyMark or even Amazon for a relatively inexpensive price. This splitter leads to a GoBuilda 15A speed controller. This allows 12 volts to be sent to the motors while sending 6 volts to the element receiver. Our receiver then sends power to our servos to control AndroidBot's lift and sweeper. With your diagram complete, you can now construct the wiring. In order to double check that it functions correctly, I would build a system apart from the star. That way, if there happens to be a mistake, you do not have to disassemble your robot. Now you can test the wiring by testing each piece with the controller. Now that we know the wiring works, we can incorporate it into the star. I hope you feel more confident in your wiring skills and are able to wire your own star. If you have any further questions, be sure to reach out to the Meganites, Team 11093, so that we can assist your star construction process.